Hi. I think a lot of people put importance on visualizing, and they also put importance on being positive all the time, which are both very good things. Visualizing what you want and being positive are two of the ingredients to manifest the life you want. But people will start to feel discouraged when they start visualizing and trying to be positive, and they get the opposite effect. You want $1 million, or you want better health, or you want a relationship, and you visualize it and it doesn't come. Or you try to be positive and you just end up feeling negative. And that can be very discouraging, especially to someone that's just beginning to create the life that they want with their thoughts. So what do you do instead? What do you do to manifest the life you want? Well, the thing is, if you're doing the things that I said earlier, if you're visualizing and you're working on having a more positive aspect in life, having a more positive attitude, then you have two of the ingredients needed to manifest what you want. But you're still missing the third ingredient, because if you don't do this, then you're going to have a hard time manifesting things you want. But if you do this, then the things that you want will come quicker. The thing that you need to do is you have to put your importance on not just visualizing and feeling good all the time. You need to put your importance on rewiring your subconscious. And I know you've heard this before. We've all heard it before. You change your subconscious and your life will begin to change. But why is that? Why does your life begin to change? And why is it so important? The reason why it's so important is because 95% of your life is run from your subconscious. 95, a little less, a little more, around 95. So what is it that we're all thinking about all day long? Look around in life. Is the majority of people healthy, happy, wealthy? No, they're not. The majority of people are living paycheck to paycheck, or they have no food, or whatever. And these are the same people that figure out that you can create the life that you want with your thoughts. And they try to visualize what they want, try to feel good. But what does that do? Someone who is not aware of how this reality works are going to visualize what they want, and they're going to feel good initially, and they're going to try to be positive, and they're going to feel good initially. And anyone can be positive and visualize what they want for a short period of time because they're using their conscious part of their brain. But as soon as the conscious part of your brain stops working, what takes over? You guessed it, it's your subconscious. And what did they have in their subconscious the whole time? They had the opposite of what they wanted, because we want what we don't have. And we need negative things to happen, negativity, the opposite of what we want, to be aware of what we want. And so it's more likely that that is programmed into their subconscious mind. What you have to do over visualizing and over feeling good is you have to reprogram your subconscious mind. You do this on two different parts of the day, in your morning and at night. And you can do it in the day too, but the morning and the night is the most powerful, because the veil, so to speak, to the subconscious is thin, and your consciousness is slowly starting to come back or slowly leaving when you're entering sleep or waking up. And so these are the perfect times to retrain your subconscious mind. And these are also the perfect times to visualize, because your visualizations are going to go straight in to your subconscious and not be blocked by your gatekeeper. So throughout the night, listen to affirmations of things that you want to manifest in your life. If you want more wealth, listen to wealth affirmations. If you want more health, listen to health affirmations, and so on. If you want love, then listen to love affirmations. And keep these playing in your ear as you sleep, and do this over and over and over again. And I know people like time frames. How long does this take? How long does this take? Because they want to get their manifestation. But the energy of how long does this take is the energy of lack. You want it. You want it, but you want it because you don't have it right now. So don't think in terms of how long will this take. Think of terms of just put it on and watch your life change. It doesn't matter if it takes 20 days or 60 days. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen. And it will if you do this. So either write down, talk out your affirmations on an audio recorder and then play it while you sleep, or find some online from someone you can trust. And listen to these every single day and watch how your thoughts begin to change. You might start to wake up happier. You might start to, if you have wealth affirmations, you might start to wake up and realize, wow, I just have this great business idea, or wow, I just have an urge to go play the lottery, just big urged. And so you do it. And this is your subconscious beginning to change. So the importance is, of course, visualizing and of course feeling good, but feeling good especially comes as a byproduct of visualizing what you want because you feel good. Put the subliminals on at night while you sleep. If you can't sleep, then put it on low volume at least. And then during the day, visualize what you want multiple times a day. Break it up. 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there, 5 minutes there. And do this every day and watch as your life begins to change. Thank you guys for watching.